So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and on this video we'll be unboxing two items from Datablitz and from PC Express Market. So let's get into it. So guys, the first item that we'll be unboxing is this HP Gaming Keyboard. It is the K500F. So it is a wired keyboard that I bought in Datablitz. So this is the front. You can see it has a display of what the keyboard would look like. It has RGB settings on it, so it does light up. And then on the bottom we have the gaming keyboard name, HP Gaming Keyboard K500F. And then at the back we have the specifications, English, and then Korean, and then Japanese and Chinese, I think, or Japanese and Chinese, so not sure, but this one is Korean, this one is Chinese, this one is English. So there you go, it's a USB keyboard that is wired, that I mentioned a while ago. Okay, there, that's the back, that's the front. Then for us to open it, we have to take off the seal here. Pero since we already opened this in Datablitz, natanggal na siya. So, yan. Then pull it down. Okay. Then lift this one up. Then yan. Kita nyo na yung keyboard itself. Syempre yung keyboard nakabalot ng material ng I think this is paper. Then when you open it up, this is your keyboard. Yan. What I like on this keyboard is hindi siya mechanical. So pag mag-press kayo on it, wala siyang ingay like the mechanical ones. So ideal for quiet typing. And then malaki din yung keys niya for my big fingers. Yan. So it comes with the keyboard. And then the paper itself na syempre may HP logo. And then the instructions, okay, the product warranty card, kasama din yan. Product warranty card, okay, product support, and then the manual. Also has a manual, okay, manual, and then notice. Ito yung mga yung mga warnings or mga do's and don'ts for the keyboard. Right. So that's our first item, HP. Bakit HP? Bakit hindi siya yung mga kilalang brand for gaming? Is una, nagustuhan ko siya kasi mura. So at Datablitz guys, this keyboard cost 600 pesos. So for this keyboard na medyo matatagal din naman siya siguro, mas okay na yon, na okay na price point na yon, 600, compared to the much more not budget friendly keyboards. For me, yan, kasi keyboard na naman yung kailangan ko. So yeah, that's item number 1, that gaming keyboard K500F. That's item number 1. So, let's put this aside, and then we will get the second item. Medyo malaki lang siya. So, I'll be back. Alright guys, welcome back. So, ito na yung second and final item natin for this unboxing. This is the AOC 22-inch LCD monitor, the B2 series monitor. Siya ay 22B2H. Yan. So, this is a wide monitor that has VGA and HDMI. So at the front of the box, makita nyo, oops, sorry. Alright, at the front of the box, makita nyo ito, the AOC logo, how it should look like, back and front. The B2 series monitor, tag on the left side, the model number, I think, 22B2H, and the specifications. So for this one, it is 21.5 inch or 54.7 centimeters. So it's a wide view, which is I liked. It has HDMI and also VGA. on the side, medyo malaki siya. So, on the side, layo ko muna kayo onte. Yan. On the side, ganito siya. Okay. So, it has the AOC, what it looks like, and then the specifications. On the back, it looks like this. Okay, lapit kayo ulit. Sorry. Right. So, on the back, ito. Same with the front. So, paano siya bubuksan dito sa taas? So, again, nabuksan na to sa PC Express. Na-test ko na din to. So, wala na yung scotch tape dito. Pero normally, meron yung scotch tape na AOC. So, ibig sabihin pag ganyan, na-tampered na yan. So, kung bibili kayo ng brand new, make sure na may tape pa to. Okay? Tapos, syempre, para mabuksan siya, i-lift mo lang to. Wait. Wait, ibaba ko siya para mas makita na siya. Okay. Yan. Okay? Ibaba ko pala. Yan. Yan. Okay? So, dapat makupul lang siya dito. Okay, mali. So dito pala nagaganon. So I'm pulling the wrong thing. So ito, yan, bababa mo na siya diyan. Ito rin. Pag nababa mo na itong dalawang to, so you can see, ito maangat na. So right from the bat, ito yung may mga instructions kung paano siya, ano yung mga ilalagay, nandiyan. And then pagkababa, ito yung parang kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts na gagawin nyo. Also in Korean, in Chinese, and in Japanese, I think. So, this one is Korean. This one is Japanese yata. Pero, ito sa taas Korean. Ito, either Japanese or Chinese. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So, dito, syempre, may English version naman. So, yun. Okay, do's and don'ts. And then, yung monitor itself. So, naka-ano siya, may styrofoam and then the specifications. Oops, mukhang mali ako ng unbox kasi nasa ilalim ito. Teka, ikot natin ulit. Okay, para sure lang. Yan. Okay. So, when you pull it out, okay, nandito yung yan, nandito na yung VGA cord or yung power regulator niya sa gilid. Okay, the power supply. Ito yan. The VGA cord, which is yung tinesting kanina sa Datablitz, the VGA cord. And then, the instructions, the driver, and also the import instructions. Fortunately, dito pa siya nabubuksan. So, ito siya. So, ito yung driver. Then, ito yung manual niya. Okay. Ayan. Manual. Alright, put it aside. And then, this one is the base. Or, yung mismong base station niya. Ito. Okay. Up ko kayo onte. Para medyo kita. Yan. Tapos, syempre ito, yung pinaka power cord. So, standard yung power cord niya ganito. Okay. So, this one goes with this one. So, dito yan. Ayan, ganyan na. Okay? Alright. So, okay. So, baba natin ito. For later. Ito is yung stand niya mismo. Okay. So, may figure kung paano yan. So, dito yung stand. Dito yung monitor. Ito yung sa base station, which is this one. So, ganyan. Ganyan siya. Dito yung monitor. Mamaya sa setup natin to. Then, syempre, underneath this one is the monitor itself. So, when you open it up, yan, kasama din yung tela na micro, I think this is paper for, something purposes. So, hindi siya security eh. So, yan. Okay. So, medyo nakakatakot tong ginagawa ko. So, ayan. So, okay. So, AOC, ito mismo yung monitor itself. So, may border kayo, left and right, pero sobrang nipis. So, papasa siya na borderless. And then, also dito sa baba, AOC. Yung title, ayan, AOC. Sa likod, we have the, wow! We have the power cord, headset, the VGA, which is in blue, this one, and then HDMI. Tapos dito yung pinaka-base. Alright. Okay, so that's our monitor, AOC, 22-inch. 21.5 inch. So, close to 22 na nga siya. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, next thing that we will do is we will be setting up yung ating desktop dito sa station natin. Saan ba yun? Para makita nyo, on this area. Yan, kung saan dati yung laptop ko dito. Mag-set tayo ng desktop dyan. So, baka may nagtatanong sa inyo, bakit tayo mag-set up ng desktop? Bakit tayo mag-set up ng desktop is that yung ginagamit ko before na laptop, which is yung Dell E7 450. E7 450 is nagkamali ako na natapunan siya ng iced tea. So, since natapunan ko siya ng iced tea, madama yung BIOS nung pina-check ko. And then, ngayon, hindi siya nag-open up. So, hindi ko pa rin alam kung bubuhayin ko ba siya o ibebenta ko siya. So, hindi ko pa alam. So, yun yung reason bakit binabalik natin or bumabalik tayo sa desktop. So, good thing about that, makakapag-edit tayo ng videos natin using Premiere. Wala namang din pinagkaiba, same lang din naman yon na ginagamit ko before. And then, makakapag-produce tayo ng gaming content, which is before is the niche or the core thing na ginagawa ko dito sa channel. And then, yun. Aside from that, makakagawa pa rin ako ng mga videos sa inyo, and then makakapag-upload pa rin ako. Yun yung pinaka-sole purpose bakit bumalik ako ng desktop. I hope you like this video. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung setup kung paano siya ilagay sa PC nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo yun, please comment it out down below. Or kung gusto nyo magpatulong, magpabuo ng PC, yan, kaya din natin yan. So, sabihan nyo ako. And then, or kung may rig kayo or gusto nyo mga tips in terms of tech, please hit me up. I'm here to help. Okay? Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. This is a mixed language vlog. I'm going to cut this vlog short kasi mag-setup pa ako ng PC, and then mag-edit pa ako, and then pag nakita nyo to, means okay na yung PC natin. So, yun. Again, if you like this video, please comment down in the comment section down below kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo about this vlog. I'm sorry, it's a mixed language vlog. So, yun. Subscribe to my channel, please. Malaki na tayo. We are now 122 subscribers. Thank you for all of you. And sana mag-grow pa rin tayo on this 2021 and upcoming years to come. Again, yun. Alright, I think that's it. This is me, Mark, signing off, and then see you on the next vlog. Peace, God bless, and boom.
Every single day